Always find the skyline to be something here of Atlanta. Really way. And here's the Cartoon Network and all that stuff over there.
That's the Cartoon Network?
That's the headquarters, yeah. Right there, that building. Over here on the right. Yeah, that's it, yeah. All those different networks.
Oh, they're building.
They're building another tall building. The progress of Atlanta. As I am shooting videos. And during this stretch here, while we're in this main part of Atlanta. And Georgia Tech is on your right here. So that's Georgia Tech. Are you looking more? There's the Varsity. They have really good food up in there. There. So yeah, that's the Varsity. That's actually, you can get to the subway from very close to that. The Varsity, very short walk. Yeah, no traffic problems at all as we pass through Atlanta. It's very pleasant as far as the traffic is concerned. It is raining, but the weather and the traffic conditions are very nice coming through Atlanta right now. Hard to see signs for Macon, Georgia. And this is pretty much the end of the downtown area of Atlanta, pretty much. And that's Georgia State, yeah.
That's old Georgia. Hate it.
We went to Georgia State, so what do you say? Well, we just went past Georgia State, now we're going past Georgia State, so...
What, is that you guys? Or is that a different one?
The University of Georgia is over in Athens, Georgia. Which Athens is northeast of Atlanta. I've never been.
Where's the Coca-Cola thing at?
Well, that was actually back there. We've already passed it. It's off the highway, though. It's off the highway, so. But we've already passed that. I mean, we're coming now to where we're passing out of the downtown area, so now we're just going to be heading into South Atlanta. And on down the Florida. Atlanta, Georgia. There's a peach there on that thing. You get that peach there on the video. That's a nice looking peach. Oh, Turner Field on your left, where the Atlanta Braves play baseball. Well, you can actually see it from the highway, but if you look to your left, you can see part of Turner Field, right? Yeah. That's the home of the Atlanta Braves.